Itong salitang Latin na to na ang hirap sabihin ang magpapabago ngayon sa impeachment ni VP Sara. With this one legal move, the battle might no longer in Congress. Ad cautelam. Ad cautelam. Basta ang response. Meaning, we will answer to the accusations, but we will not admit the process itself is valid. And that opened the doors to a challenge before the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Kasi in power politics, kadalasan ang survival pwersahin mo yung kalaban. Hindi lang politically, but also constitutionally. Ang mga pwedeng ma-challenge sa Supreme Court. Una, 1-year impeachment bar rule. Kapag nag-decide ang korte na nagsimula na yung impeachment ng mga unang complaints pa lang, di ibig sabihin, una pa lang, invalid na tong impeachment. Second na pwedeng i-challenge. Ano lang naman, parang may favoritism sila kay PBBM. Yung kay PBBM, ang daling dinismiss. Bakit tong kay BP Sara? Gigil na gigil sila. May pa-double standards ang House. And since the Supreme Court could eventually intervene, kailangan ngayon mag-ingat ng mga congressman sa House sa procedure. Isang mali, bagsak ang impeachment. More pressure on them. And there's the Senate. The last line defense for VP Sara. Historically speaking, it's hard to get the 2/3 votes. At kung iisa-isahin natin to mga senators na to ngayon, parang karamihan sa kanila ay kampi kay VP Sara. Ika nga ni Sun Tzu sa kanyang Art of War. He who is prudent and lies in wait for an enemy who is not will be victorious. And in this impeachment battle, the real strategy might be deciding where to fight. Will the Supreme Court intervenes? Or will the Senate defend Sara? Or will the worst case happen? Sa tingin nyo,